Fresenius Kabi is a global healthcare company with a mission to put life-saving medicines and technologies into the hands of the people who care for patients. The company has 3 pharmaceutical manufacturing sites in the United States, and as part of its investment to do more in America, it will produce intravenous solutions, or IV solutions, in the U.S. IV solutions are the containers commonly used to deliver fluids and medicines for patient care. Manufacturing capacity was recently added at the Fresenius Kabi site in Wilson, North Carolina for these IV solutions, as well as a high bay warehouse with an automated storage and retrieval system for holding finished goods. The company chose Stocklin Logistics as its automation partner for the project.
The design team evaluated automation in every aspect of the process. If you can automate a process, you can get a more reliable, consistent product, and you can eliminate some human error. This leads to a better quality product for our customers and ultimately for the patients who use our products. The entire team was impressed with the speed and the efficiency that the warehouse was put together by the Stocklin team. They came in and it was amazing and fluid, and the project went together very smoothly.
During manufacturing, the IV solutions are filled into 5 different sizes of PVC-free bags, sterilized, inspected, and then robotically packed into cartons. After packing, the cartons are conveyed to 5 robotic palletizers, where they are precisely stacked onto pallets. A transfer car picks up each load and takes it to one of 3 stretch wrappers. From there, the loads are conveyed into the input stations of the automated storage and retrieval system.
So what's really great about this system is the high-rise keeps everything kind of consolidated in a vertical format. What's really good about it, how it's integrated to SAP, and you can really have kind of a track and trace system. You don't have a big floor plan where you have to go all over to actually find what you're looking for. It's all condensed. Plus, I think on the other side, what I'm finding is efficiency. I like it.
A crane running in each aisle picks up the load and swiftly takes it to one of 10,200 storage locations. The solution bags are warm coming out of manufacturing, so they are stored in the temperature-monitored automated storage until cooled and ready to ship.
The pallet placement inside of the warehouse was significant, as well as the turnaround time for the crane to store a pallet and retrieve a pallet, and that's part of the reason that Stocklin was chosen for our project.
It's not hard to understand what's going on as long as you understand the logic of the ASR system and how it's supposed to function. Love the support that I get from our partners in this, Stocklin. Get online, pretty much the people understand what's going on. I've worked hand in hand with them during this installation, and I have no complaints whatsoever.
Once ready to ship, the crane retrieves the pallet and takes it to an outbound conveyor for transit to shipping.
I like just the conveyance system, like the tracking system that's on it, that shows you where the pallet is at any given time throughout the system. It integrates nice with our enterprise system.
Another transfer car collects the pallets and takes them to gravity-fed staging lanes, where they are accumulated for loading onto outbound trucks.
It can run 24/7. It doesn't have to be manned or supervised when it's here. Prepping to load the trucks, close to almost lights out system. It's a lot less manpower, a lot less forklifts running around, got to worry about. Easy system to understand. It's been running very well.
At full capacity, the automated system will handle many millions of IV solution units per year with precision, speed, and accuracy.